Hi, I'm Frankie, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be really fun to film like a 50 facts about me. If you're at all interested in how I created this look, then head over to my last video. And yeah, let's jump into the video. My full name is Francesca Jane Crowther. I am 21 years old. I'm born in March, which makes me an Aries. I have an older brother and an older sister, which makes me the youngest in my family. I'm in my final year of uni at the University of West of England, or UE, and I study English language and linguistics. I was a cheerleader for 6 years. For 5 of those years I cheered at Casablanca Cheer. The final year I cheered for my university team. Hypermobile, which means that my joints are really flexible, and I used to hurt myself all the time when I was little. I always had twisted ankles, like my shoulders and elbows used to like pop out of joint all the time. So I have a teddy who I've had since I was probably 5 or 6, and he's called Ginger, and I sleep with him every night. Let me show you. So this is Ginger. I just love him so much. People don't understand that he came this colour. Like, he came all different colours. Everyone's like, well, what colour is he meant to be? I can't sleep without him. I love him so much. So I have flat feet, and I have to wear insoles in all my trainers because I have no arch, and my feet just literally is like a slab of meat on the floor. So I have never broken, well, I've never broken a bone really. Like once when I was like 16 I broke my little toe, but it doesn't really count. But it was really painful actually. Like someone stood on my little baby toe with like a stiletto and it went. I used to have a cat called Max and he was 20. I had him since I was 1, so I can't remember anything about him obviously. He passed away in September, the day after me and Luke got home from LA, so it was really lucky that we were there. Yeah, it's still so sad, like I'm not over it. I can't talk about it too much or I get upset. But my sister got me the nicest present at Christmas. So this is Max. That's an actual picture that my sister took of Max as well, and it's on this cute little necklace. I think I'm going to get like a key ring and put it on my keys instead so I can see it every day. My favourite colour is pink. My favourite food is... I can't really narrow it down to one. My favourite foods are pasta, cheese and garlic bread. Once someone threw a firework at me, like in the middle of the street, and I've been traumatised. Like, I hate fireworks ever since. I have blue eyes, but like Luke likes to say I have green eyes or grey eyes, but I think they're blue. So I love little lumps in my mash. Oh, I just think they're so nice, but I don't like big lumps, like they have to be little. I hate feet and injections, like they both scare the life out of me. I love buying new socks. Like, socks are just my favourite thing to buy, apart from like makeup. My favourite animal is a giraffe. I had braces for about 3 years because I had the worst teeth. Like, I had a massive gap in between my teeth here. It was hideous. So yeah, I had them for ages. Oh, I used to be obsessed with SpongeBob SquarePants. Like, I still love it. Like, I think he's so funny. But I used to be obsessed. Like, I had clothes, I had a dressing gown, I had a cap. Like, obsessed. I watched Disney Channel religiously till I was like 18. I came first in the borough diving competition when I was 10. Oh. So when I was 3 we were all on holiday and I was running along the pavement like really peacefully, having the best time, and all of a sudden my brother comes over and like swings a golf club in my face and I had a black tooth here. Yeah, all my family say that apparently I ran into the golf club, but obviously that isn't true. Why would I do that? I distinctly remember him throwing it in my face. Also, when I was 3, I put a Barbie makeup sponge up my nose and didn't tell anyone for 2 months. Apparently I stunk and I had to go to the hospital and get it like removed. I have to sleep with my windows open. Like, I just love the little breeze that comes in and like under the covers, nice and cosy. It's so easily distracted. I was a really naughty child and I have like quite a few funny stories, but I mean I'll save that for a later video. I'm a proper morning person, like Luke can't stand it. I loved school, like I loved my year, I loved everything about school. Wish I could go back. I cry all the time. I literally, if I don't cry in a day, like that's weird. But like I don't cry because I'm sad, I cry because I cry at cute things, like cute old couples like walking down the street with their dogs, and dogs I cry at as well, and cats and animals and babies. Like, it just gets a bit much for me and I just can't control myself. I don't like tea or coffee. My whole family is obsessed with Harry Potter, like we love Harry Potter. I would love to go to Australia. If I'm really tired I fall asleep so quickly and like in such a deep sleep, like it's really weird, especially when I'm drunk, because it's all fun and games until I need to sleep and then I need to go home. I'm so scared of them people in suits at like theme parks. They're so pointless and scary. I used to pretend I was ill at primary school to stay at home and play Sims. Sorry, mum. I love roller coasters and I love theme parks, but I refuse to go on any roller coasters that are like a festival that have been put up overnight. Like, surely it's not safe. I had this bit of my ear pierced, like here. It was really cute, but then like my hair wrapped around it and ripped it out. My favourite drink is a porn star martini. I have a naturally really loud voice, and I think it's a bit annoying for people sometimes. I'm very clumsy. Like, I don't know how it happens to me, but if there's a drink near me, like, it will be spilt. And I don't know how I do it. I don't mean to. Like, I try so hard not to knock anything over, but it always just seems to happen. But Luke's also really clumsy, so it doesn't make me look as bad. My favourite crisps are the pickled onion Monster Munch, and I eat them one at a time. I'm really bad for holding grudges. I met Bradley from S Club in October at my uni, and it was the best day of my life. I have a really good memory. I remember everything. I hate birds. Like, they scare the life out of me, like, especially seagulls, and they come and fly so close to you when you're at the beach or whatever. I'm obsessed at the moment with sweet chilli hummus and Ritz. For 2 years, the angel on my Christmas tree was a picture of Justin Bieber. I pooed myself in first year. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos.